Sensex slumps nearly 1450 points. Should you buy into today's decline? The Nifty Financial and Nifty bubbled over 1400 points in the morning session on Monday, dragged by a massive losses in the financial stocks amid concern over spiking COVID-19 cases in the country. Financial stocks were under strong selling pressure. The Nifty Financial and the Nifty Bank indicates were drawn over 3%. India reported a record rise in COVID-19 infections in past 24 hours with over 1 lakh cases in a day. Maharashtra, India's richest state and home to its commercial capital Mumbai, and numerous industries reported a strong 57,074 new cases overnight. The state also announced new restrictions to curb the spread of the virus. Asian stock markets were mixed today after Wall Street hit a high last week. S&P 500 index rose has closed above 4,000 points for the first time. Friday's job data in US also were better than expected. The Indian rupee today slumped 73.43 against the US dollar. Here is what analysts said to today's market slump. Gaurav Garg, head of the research at Capital Y Global Research Limited. Market opened on a flat note following the mixed sentiments in the market but could not maintain the higher levels and tumbled below 14,500. The increase in the corona cases has led to the negative sentiments in the domestic market. On the other hand, US market closed higher as the unemployment rate has fallen to 6%. Asian market was mostly trending in green following the US market and positive overall sentiments. We can expect a recovery in the Indian market as well, and the market can be expected to be in the range of 14,050 to 14,900 in the coming weeks. Over the weekend, the cases crossed 1 lakh mark in COVID cases in the nation. Of this, bulk of the cases are in Maharashtra, where second lockdown has put in place till April 30. Though it's not a complete lockdown, market over the next few days would monitor as how the situation pan out in the Maharashtra and also in the other states, especially 8 to 10 other states where the COVID cases is rising rampantly. Apart from this, Q4 numbers would start pouring in the form of mid-April, with Infosys and Wipro being among the first ones to declare it. We are expecting strong 4QFY21 numbers too for the IT sector and expect robust FY22 outlook from the management despite cost pressures. Overall, we believe IT and metals to fare better in comparison to other sectors given the cost pressures faced during Q4. Thus, the month of April is likely to be highly volatile, with Q4 earnings, rising COVID cases and higher bond yield to determine this trend.